Hey there, future React Native developers. I'm Sinura Wahalathanthri, and I'm here with a new update from the chat application. So in this video, I'll be doing the chat page in our chat application. So in my previous video also, we talked about our chat page, but I only showed you how to send a message process. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to send a message and how it will be viewed from another user. Now let's move on and see how it does. So first of all, I need to join from a user. So I didn't show you how I joined from the user. So I will sign in from my sign-in page. So my sign-in page, I have talked about this design in my previous video. Okay, so now for this sign-in, I will give my number. So first of all, I will give Mr. Whisker's number because I'll be doing my chat from him and I'll be showing you other users also. So let's see. Okay, so I have given it and next let's give my password. After I give my password, I will sign in from this and you can see hello Mr. Whiskers, and next you can see my users have been loaded. Now, if I click on Beluga, I have chatted with him a long time ago. So you can see over here, hi, how are you doing? How are you doing? Are you making YouTube videos like that? I have asked some various types of questions. And if you go to Skittle, you will not see any message because I haven't chatted with him. Now for this, I will first chat with Beluga and see whether it works or not. And next, let's see how I'm gonna give a message to Mr. Skittles. Okay, so first of all, I will write a message. So first I will give, let's see. So first I have given, hi, how are you doing? Are you making YouTube videos? Then I will say, I also want to stay in one. And I will give that message. Then I will send this message by clicking this button. And then you can see over here that the message will be loaded. Yes. Now, after the refresh happens, the message will be loaded like this. Now you can see the time has been also loaded. Now let's go to Mr. Beluga and see whether he got the message. Okay. So first I need to log out from this user because if I go from the same user, I will only see the chats I sent. So let's first join from Beluga. So his number is 07702358842. Next, the password is 1234 simple password. Hello Beluga. I will give OK. And you can see over here, Mr. Whiskers has been sending him a message. So this is the latest message that he has got. So I will click on that. And then after it loads, you can see, hi, how are you doing? How are you doing again? Are you making YouTube videos? I also want to stay in one. Now I will send him a message as, yeah, you can also stay in one. Yeah. Stay in one. And I will just put this. Okay, so this is just like an emoji, but I will use it. Then I will send this message. And let's see how it will be viewed to Mr. Beluga. Beluga. I will, oh, yeah. So after I send it, you can see this, the touchable opacity, I have clicked it. Then after this loads with the use effect, the message should be loaded over here. Okay, now you can see the message has been loaded. And now let's go and give a message from another user. Because now I have been only talking about 2 users. And in my previous video, I only sent the message to Beluga. Now, what I'm going to do is I will show you how to send a message to another user too. So I need to select one user. So I will choose there are Skittle, Hicker, Ricky, White Rose, Blackie. Blackie looks a bit cool, so I will check. not Ricky, not him, sorry. Yeah, I will choose Blackie. I will click on Blackie, then you can see I will be navigated to his chatting page. So let's click on him. Yeah, so this is taking a while because the RAM takes a lot for this Android. And yeah, now let's send him a message. So first I need to click on the text input. So in this we tell it as text inputs. Next, after I click on that, I'll be going to my keypad. So my keypad will be shown like this. Next, I need to type the message. Let's give hello, Blackie. Then I'll put, how are you doing? Then I'll put the question mark and I'll just put like this, I guess. Okay. Yeah, I like using that. Then I will send the message and let's see whether it will go to him. Okay. Let's see. So it needs to be refreshed. Then let's see whether it will load. Okay. The use effect is working in the background. Then you can see over here, the message will be loaded in blue color. Okay. Let's see over here. Okay. So you can see the message has been loaded. Now let's see by going to Blackie's account and let's see whether it will be loaded in his page. Okay. Now, first of all, we need to see whether there is a user. Yeah. So the user's number is 071234561. Yeah, it's a bit weird number, but let's just join. Just to see whether the message has been sent. 071234561. Yeah, then the password is 12345. Okay, then I'll sign in. Okay. Okay, so now you can see Beluga has been uploaded over here. So let's click on him. Yeah. How are you, Blackie? Hello, Blackie. How are you doing? So like that only we can send message to different types of users. So let's see what are the backend codes that I used for this. So over here, the design is the same, but I will just show you what's this in brief. So first of all, I have my function, then I have my use states, and then I have my send request to send the message, and over there, the loadchat.php is there. And in the loadchat.php, you can see user1 and user2 is there as id1 and id2 of the post method. And then I have given the connection. And after the connection, I have given the table connection. Table, that means the query of the connection. So the query is select all from chat, inner join the status table. And in that, the chat.status ID should be equal to the status table ID. Then the where the user from is equal to the user 1 and the user 2 is equal to the user 2. Then after that, I have created an array and I have assigned it to a new value as chat array. Then I have given my for loop over here, and after my for loop is there, inside my for loop, I have given the $row fetch assoc, and like that, I have given the message row. So these are new values, so I have assigned them to new values. Then string to time for the date time. Then I have given the time string as the hours and minutes and the AM PM method. Next, I have given user from is user 1. If it's that, it should go to the right side. If not, it should go to the left side. And I have commented this query. And after that, I have given $chat object status should be equal to the $row type. Then I have given the $chat array. So these are two changes which I did. Next, let's move on. Next, what I have done is the save chat. So in the save chat only, I have done a bit of changes. So my save chat is this. Yes. No, sorry, this is in my save chat. I haven't done any changes. So here what I have done is I have given the request JSON and I have decoded them, and I have assigned to a new value. Then I have given the user to ID and assigned to a new value as to ID. Then the from ID equals the from ID. Then the message as message, and the date of YMDHIS as date time. And I have given the connection to go to our database, then our connection query to insert to the chat table. Next, over here, I have done some multiple changes in the load uses. So to make this work, as you know, the load uses also must be working. So over here, what I have done is I have $post users I have assigned to a new value. So we did that in my previous video. And next, what I have done is I have given like this. So if there are no users, no chats, it should show like this. But over here, what I have done is I have given over here the same codes which I used in my previous video. But when we go down in our other for loop, what I have done is I have given if the I is equals to the 1. And I have given the new chat row like that. And next I have given the new chat row status ID should be equals to 1. And the unseen count should be plus plus. And next I have assigned that count to a new value. Then I have array pushed it and the JSON response text and decoded it, encoded it, and I have echoed that. Next, what I have done is this is our design and this is where our on-presses are happening. So I will first show you my design. Then in my design, over here you can see the background image is there. And then we have our view to see our profile name, then the chat call icons. And after that, I have flat list. I have a flat list. So in this flat list only we can see our chatting data. And in our another view, we have to take our chat and to send the chat. Then we have given a use state for it, and I have given it to load it after 1 second. Every 1 second it needs to be loaded. Or if I didn't give this, it will be going continuously and it will go on to like if we didn't give this and give an alert on top, it will be like continuously it's gonna be reloading. So for that reason, then the emulator might be crashed. So for that reason, I have given a use state. Next for this chat item. So in this chat item, I have given this const item UI. Then in that only I have given this. So over here I have removed some. I haven't removed anything, but in our home page I have removed our count. Next over here I have given the chat icon sent. If it's like that, it should be sent, and if it's not, it should be the style I've seen or sent. Next I have given the message, the time, like that. Some small changes have been done, but yeah, that's all for this chat. So I hope you understood how it happened. So you can see over here when you tap on Mr. Whiskers, I haven't given him a chat. So like that only we completed our video series. So from this video, this is the last video of our chat application. And I hope you understood every video which I have been talking with you all throughout 4 videos. With this, it's gonna be 5. So let's meet with a new video series. So until that, stay tuned. Have a nice day and bye.